Hi, I'm Rachel Bevan from Rachel's Essentials, and today we're going to be making Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. Now, the main thing that you need is a foaming dispenser. I have an old one from Bath & Body Works that I've cleaned out, but really any of them will work. Next, you're going to need Castile soap. I use the Unscented baby one from Dr. Bronner's. And then vitamin E oil is the best, however, I'm out of it, so I'm going to be using glycerin instead for a little bit more moisture. And then Thieves is definitely necessary. You can use the one from your starter kit, that's the vitality oil, or you can use your own bottle. And then I'm going to add a little bit of tea tree just because the Thieves smell, sometimes it's nice, but I want a little bit cleaner of a smell. So first thing up is you're going to need to take your Castile soap, and you're taking 3 tablespoons of it. And you're just going to pour it straight into that bottle. Now with most things that we're making for essential oils, it just takes a few different ingredients. And once you get used to all of this, you're going to end up having all those ingredients on hand. Now, it's either going to be 3 drops of vitamin E oil, or I'm going to do a little squirt of glycerin. And then we need at least 6 drops of Thieves. And then you can add, I don't know, however many drops you want of something else. So I like tea tree, but you can also use lemon or anything else like that. After that, you're just going to fill the rest with your filtered water. And you have foaming hand soap.